Hi guys, welcome back to Raising Buddies. So in this video, we're going to discuss on the topic of non-verbal classification. So I will explain briefly about non-verbal classification first, then we will move on to problems. Okay. So first, what is non-verbal classification? So non-verbal classification is based on figure that you know well, figures, and so in questions, in problems, they will give some figures. So you have to identify the wrong according to the given logic. So it's just like odd man out. So it's just like odd man out. One figure only, particular figure only different from other figures. So that figure you have to identify. So let's move on to problems. So that is the first problem. So I will explain it. So it's clearly you can easily answer this question. That is, this is the odd man out. Why? Because so all these lines, okay, for example, we'll consider this as lollipops. So all lollipops in this figure, all lollipops that uh, touched the side of triangle. Here also that all lollipops touched the side of square. All lollipops touched the side of hexagon, and here for parallelogram. But in this pentagon, the lollipops touch the vertex of pentagon. So this is the odd man out. Okay. Next question. Yeah. In this question, we'll check the possibilities first. What are the main things you have to remember? That is this black portion, plus sign, and arrow. The in three characters only we can get differences mainly. Okay. Yeah, I got the logic. So see, so this is the direction of black portion, and arrow is pointing towards top, and black portion pointing towards bottom. So both are in opposite direction. Here also black portion is in this direction, and arrow in this direction. So both are opposite again. So let's check for figure 3. Here also same opposite direction. But in figure 4 you can see arrow and black portion are in same direction, pointing same direction. So this is the odd man out. So next question. So try this. I'm giving you time of 20 seconds. Yeah, time up. Okay. So first of all, we have to consider what is main characters here. One lollipop and one arrow. And we can take this big line segment also. So let's compare these three characters for all figures. Okay. So see. So from this line segment, the arrow is two line segments is there, not between. With the combination of arrow also there are two line segments, and for lollipop there are three line segments. And in this figure, arrow has three and lollipop has two. So I am taking here. So see, arrow has three and lollipop has two. In figure 1, lollipop has 3, arrow has 2. Okay, in figure 3, that is arrow has 3 and lollipop has 2. So arrow 3 and lollipop has 2 line segments. Next, in figure 4 also, arrow has 3 line segments and lollipop has 2 line segments. Again, arrow 3, and lollipop 2. And in figure 5, again our arrow has 3, lollipop has 2. I think you can understand what is the odd man out. So on the basis of these line segments, we can get the answers. That is, option 1 is the odd man out. Okay, do this question. I'm giving you time of 40 seconds. Sorry, not 40 seconds, just 20 seconds. Go ahead. Somebody feel non-verbal classification is too hard. No, it's not hard. It's too easy when compared to number classification and alphabet classification. Word classification, when compared to word classification and number classification, it is easy. Okay, time up. See here, what are the main characters? Arrow and a circle and a dot. So if there is no any color inside, we will consider this as a dot. Okay, so first of all, we compare the arrow. That is, so both arrows are in same direction. Here also same direction, same directions. Both arrows are following same direction. Here also. From this we can get arrow is not different in figures. So next we will compare the circle and dot. So one circle, one dot, one dot, one circle, one dot. Sorry, one circle, one dot. So yeah, circle is also not a different. Another, we have only one choice, that is this triangle. So figure is not clear, so please adjust for this figure only. Yeah, I think we can get from this the logic, that is this triangle is facing towards top. Okay, towards this direction. This triangle is facing towards this direction, towards this direction, and towards this direction. From this we can get the odd man out, that is figure 5 is an odd man out. Why? Because this triangle is facing traveling towards in clockwise direction. This triangle is also traveling towards clockwise direction. This triangle is also going on clockwise direction. This is also on clockwise direction. But only this triangle is traveling anti-clockwise direction, in anti-clockwise direction. So that is the odd from the given. So it is very easy. Consider this as figure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm giving you time of 10 seconds. Go ahead. Okay, time up. So see here, I think it's very easy sum. That is, figure 4 is the odd from the given figures. Why? Because this semicircle is divided into two equal halves. Okay, it may be two halves, two portions, three portions, or four portions, but it is divided into equally. Here also this rhombus or square divided into four equal parts. In this parallelogram also same four equal parts. In this triangle also three equal parts. But uh, in this circle, this part and this part varies in size, so it's not an equal parts. That's why this is the answer. Next question. Okay, I'm giving you time of 20 seconds. Go ahead. If you like the video, subscribe to our channel and share to your friends who are preparing for reasoning based exams. Okay, time up. So see here, what are the main characters here? These three L-shaped lines and here one L-shaped. Can you see this? These are following a pattern. First, the in front of in which direction this L-shaped line is facing. After one line segment give gaps and follows by another line L-shaped line. Similarly, here also three L-shaped and in direction this L-shaped line is facing one gap with the line segment and another L-shaped. So same as here, it may be in which direction this is faced, one gap with a line segment and followed by another L-shaped line. So same here, but in figure 2 we can see on this direction this L-shaped line is facing. Okay, as usually one line segment gives gap between another L-shaped, but here there are no L-shaped line. Okay, so that's why figure 2 is the odd. Next, yeah, go for this. I'm giving you time of 30 seconds. So 20 seconds is enough for this. Go ahead. Okay, time up. Okay, see here. So in this figure, these two lines are facing towards top and this one line is facing towards bottom, which has this like shape. So it is as take this also as a line segment. Okay, here also two are facing top and one is facing bottom. Here also two are facing top and one is facing bottom. Two facing top and one facing bottom. But in this figure 5, all are facing towards top. So this is the odd man out. Okay, clear? So I think you can feel these problems as easy. These types of problems only you can see in exam, because non-verbal classification is so easy than you think. So go ahead, and giving you time of 10 seconds for this. Okay, I gave you extra 10 seconds also, so let's go. So here they gave two lines which are L-shaped in every. So the main characters are two lines and one V-shaped line, not a line, one V-shaped figure. Take that as figure. So in all figures, V-shaped, the open face are facing towards right direction. So it's not. It may be not a different. It's not an odd. Okay. So except this V shape, what are there? Two line segments. So two line segments are L shaped. So in these we can find the answer. So see here. So here in figure 1, the one line segment facing towards right and one left. So these two are facing opposite directions. Similarly here also in figure 2 also these two are facing opposite directions. Opposite directions in figure 3 also. But in figure 4 you can see both are facing same direction. Okay, so this is the answer. Option figure 4 is the answer. Next. Okay, do this. I'm giving you a time of 30 seconds. It's very easy in sound in grade 7 only you can learn this, because in geometry chapter you can learn this. Okay, let's do this. Okay, I'm arranging this as outer portion, inner portion and core portion. Okay, so this is outer portion, outer, or you can take it as outer shape. So this is a pentagon, right? The outline has pentagon shape. So this pentagon have 5 line segments. So inside one is rhombus, so it has 4 line segments, and the inner core is, it's a hexagon, it has 6 line segments. So here also a pentagon in figure 2, so 5 line segments, and a parallelogram, 4 line segments, and a triangle, that is 3 line segments, right? Okay, in figure 3, triangle, 3 line segments, and a square, 4 line segments, and inside one is a pentagon, 5 line segments again. So in figure 4 is a hexagon, outer core is outline is hexagon, 6 line segments, and a pentagon, 5 line segments, and a rhombus, that is 4 line segments. And in figure 5 here you can see a square. Yeah, so square is 4 line segments, and a pentagon, that is 5 line segments, and a hexagon, that is 6 line segments. So I think you can get a odd man out, that is figure 1 is the odd man out. Why? Because 3 4 5 this is an ascending order, 5 4 3 descending order, again ascending order and descending order. But in figure 1 you don't get any order. It may be or ascending or descending, you won't get any order, because these are not a continuous letters, sorry, continuous digits. So figure 1 is the odd man out. Next. Okay, go for it. I'm giving you time of 20 seconds. Okay, time up. Let me explain this. Yeah, so what are here? So there are 3 leaf shaped objects or figures. So I think all are same, but here you can see the angle between 2 leaves and 1 leaf. I'm considering that as a leaf. Yeah, 2 leaves and 1 leaf is 90 degrees, and here also you can see a 90 degrees. Here also you can see a 90 degrees. So here also you can see a 90 degrees. But in this portion you can't see a 90 degrees, because it not come under 90 degrees. So this is the answer, option 4. So next, it's a very easy sum. 10 seconds also is more than enough if you practiced well. I'm giving you time of just 10 seconds. Okay, time up. So see this. Here you can see two plus into signs, and one dot and one circle is there. So dot and circle are vertically opposite, and two into symbols are vertically opposite. Here also same, vertically opposite, vertically opposite. So same vertical, what you can say, so same vertical. Yeah. But in this figure you can see these are not on same vertical line. Okay, so figure 3 is the wrong odd man out, and figure 4 also is a vertical, and figure 5 is also a vertical. So figure 3 is a odd man out. So this is also very easy sum. So I'll tell it directly. So figure 3 is odd man out because all figure 1 and figure 2, figure 3, sorry, figure 4 and figure 5 are open figures, means these are not bounded. So if you add two line segments for figure 4, then it will become a closed figure, but they won't add any line segments. Okay, so figure 3 is a odd man out. Next, so go for this. I'm giving you time of 20 seconds. Okay, I gave you extra 10 seconds also. Okay, see here. So you can see this dot is between arrow and another lollipop. So I'm considering this as lollipop. So this dot is between lollipop and arrow again. This dot is between arrow and multiplication symbol, means into. So this is the odd man out. In figure 4 also this dot is between arrow and lollipop. In figure 5 also this dot is between arrow and lollipop. In figure 3 only it is between arrow and an into mark. So figure 3 is wrong. Next, go for this. I'm giving you time of 30 seconds again. Okay, time up. So see here. Uh, the outline figure is pentagon. It has 5 line segments. Inside figure is hexagon. It has 6 line segments. And in figure 2, outline figure is square, 4 line segments. Inside figure is triangle, that is 3 line segments. And in figure 3, outline figure is a triangle, 3 line segments, and an inside figure is square, 4 line segments. In figure 4, outline figure is a square. It has 4 line segments. Inside is a pentagon, that is 5 line segments. In figure 5, it's a pentagon, that is 5 line segments, and inside figure is a hexagon, 6 line segments. So the figure 1 is the odd man out because you can see here the figure, not figure 1, figure 2 is the odd man out because you can see the inside figure has more line segments than outside figure. In figure 3, inside figure has 4 and outside figure has 3. In figure 4, 5, 3, 6, 5 and 6, 5. But in figure 2 you can see the inside figure has less number of line segments than outside figure. So it is the odd man out. Next, Okay, do this. I'm giving you time of 30 seconds again. Go ahead. Okay, time up. So see here. If you rotate this figure in x degrees to right, then you get this figure. Okay. If you rotate this figure x degrees to right side, you can get this figure. Okay. So if you rotate this figure in x degrees, you can get figure 5. But if you rotate these four figures, that is figure 1, figure 2, figure 3 and figure 5 in x degrees means you can take any degrees, you can't get figure 4 because this is on mirror image. Because if you rotate x degrees, it will become, it will turn in left side only. So the box faces only left side, but here you can see box faces towards right side. Okay, figure 4 is the odd man out. Next, do this. I'm giving you time off again 30 seconds. Okay, time up. So see here, what are there in these five figures? Oh, there is a line segment. Okay, the line segment remains same in all figures. Okay, it is not a different, so don't take this. And a arc. So you can see there are two figures. Sorry, two figures in a one box. Okay, if the upper figure has like arc has opening at right, so this arc is opening at right, it changes to left. You can see it changes to left, so it has opposite to direction of above figure. Okay, same here also, it pointing towards left, here it changed to right. So here left, right, and here also right, it turns to left. Here left, right, right, left. But you can see here in figure 5, it didn't change to opposite, it doesn't change to opposite direction, not here, so not here. Here you can see it has to be changed to opening at right, but it remains same, so this is the odd man out. Okay, so thank you, that's all for today. So if you like the video, just subscribe our channel. You know our channel name is Reasoning Buddy. We'll be back to you. Stay home, stay safe.